Hello everyone. Welcome to Big Estate, India's fastest growing lead generation platform for real estate. Right now in front of you, what you see is the login screen or the sign up screen, wherein you can create your account after logging in from a website, or you can sign up from here. As soon as you sign up, this is the first screen that you see, which is your dashboard. On the dashboard, you can find total leads that you have generated, the number of live projects. All the active projects and inactive projects are mentioned below, and you can also look at your monthly, yearly, and weekly lead flow here. If you want to create a new lead package and you're new to this platform, you can either go to create new package from here, or you can also choose it from the left menu. This is the screen that you see after clicking on create a new lead package. Here you have two options. Either you can choose from an existing project, which we have already listed in different cities, or you can create your own new project. So for example, I'm creating a project called Property XYZ, uh, let's say, which is a commercial project, which is a high street retail. It costs around 1 to 2 CR, and let's say it's located in Gurgaon. On the right hand side, you can see all the specifics for that lead. What is your cost per lead? What is the qualification, which is a very important parameter? You can look at the property ticket size and the daily leads that you'll receive. So within a month, you'll get 200 leads, and this is the number of daily leads that you'll receive. Or you can, like I said, you can choose a pre-existing project and all the details are auto-selected. You can just continue. After continuing, you need to choose the location from which you want these leads. By default, it is set to 15 kilometers from the project location. You can add it to cart. It's done. All you got to do is pay now and you'll start receiving your leads in the next 24 hours. If you want more leads, you can add another package. So probably I want more leads from the DLF Arbor. I would continue. I need 136 leads. Now I have added to cart. Now I have two added to carts. I have two projects which I can pay for and start receiving leads. All these leads will land on the CRM, and you can also look at these leads under each project that you are running. So for example, N92, and then you can actually take different actions on it. If you don't want your leads here, you can also get it on your own WhatsApp real time as well. All your lead can come to a centralized WhatsApp number, or they can also come to your email. Integration is a very important part of it. If you have your own CRM, you can also get leads on your CRM by setting up a webhook. You can also add your team members here, your managers, your salespeople on a different category and give them access for different projects, and they can access through their own login, which will be provided here. Finally, you can go to the support section wherein you can go to create new ticket and you can actually raise a ticket either for account and billing, project related issue, or lead quality and delivery. That's it. It's that simple to use. Sign up now to join us in the journey of converting your leads to deals.